excellent last week. We've managed to eke out gains, not just establish the 23,000 mark. We're almost touching that 23,400 level for the Nifty futures. That said, lots has happened while we were away for the weekend, especially when it comes to Donald Trump's commentary once again. He's saying people are coming to me talking about tariffs. A lot of people are asking me if they could have any exceptions coming in. And once you do that for one, you have to do that for all. He's saying, I don't change, but the word flexibility is an important word. Sometimes it's flexibility, so there is flexibility, but basically it's a reciprocal. So pretty much underlining what he means that if there are tariffs, they're going to be reciprocal in nature. As we approach closer to April 2nd, US Senator has met Chinese Premier with top foreign CEOs. So that is one development. Sanctions, output cuts, that's been really sort of fueling the bet on tight oil supply conditions. So that said, S&P has managed to end its 4-week losing streak in the week gone by. It's 8% off its life highs. And Brent has managed to gain for a second consecutive week. So Brent continues to be hugely volatile. We're up about almost 2% and we're back at that $72 per barrel mark. So that pretty much is the global setup. And I guess the wait is now only for April 2nd.
Yeah, before that, I hope nothing comes from Mr. Trump on 1st of April, Fool's Day. So fingers crossed. I don't know. I mean, market is saying let it happen. We'll wait for it to react. Rather than reacting to rumors or comments, let's react to the final verdict. So from a market standpoint, I think next 10-15 days will not be so much so about what could come. Markets would say, let's wait for it to come and then we will act and then we will react. But Indian markets, Aisha, last week, touch wood guys, I mean, what a week we've had. It was not about global cues. It was not about local news flow. It was not about an anticipated event which turned in our favor. It was simply short covering. It was simple FOMO which was at play. It was simple excesses in the market which in a sense were there on the short side. They've got normalized. So last week was more like a technical adjustment which happened because of global interplay of dollar, FI flows and positioning which was short in the market. That got really clubbed by some high frequency data points here and there, one or two odd instances of news which in a sense supported the market. But from short covering to FOMO, are we likely to build on the market from here? Will mid and small cap stocks also jump on the bandwagon? Or this is as good as it gets and markets may just hit into some kind of a glass ceiling?
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.